cistern. See now, that cisternae are long, flatted, unbranched tubules. They have a diameter of 40 to 50 nanometers. They are arranged in parallel lines with interconnections. They are arranged parallelly, one like that. They have interconnections also. They are basophilic in nature. That is about cisternae. Coming to vesicles, vesicles are round or oval structures which are unimembranous. They are round or oval single membrane bound structures. Usually this some part of this ends of cisternae are there, na? They will detach and they will give this vesicle. Not only this vesicle, Golgi complex is also made from cisternae. I mean endoplasmic reticulum. Some part of endoplasmic reticulum is cut. When it is cut like this, that part may release and separate as Golgi complex. And the same round structures like vesicles are there, not like that vesicles. There is lysosomes and vacuoles which are detaching from the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is only responsible for the formation of lysosomes and vacuoles also. Then vesicles, they are round or oval membrane bound structure. They have a diameter of 200 to 500 nanometers. They are acidophilic in nature, and vesicles are richly present in pancreas cells. In the cells of pancreas, there is presence of more vesicles. And tubules are long branched structures. They are also long elongated structures, flattened branched structures. They have a diameter of 50 to 100 nanometers. They are mainly involving in synthesis and storage of lipids. Why do vesicles detach from cisternae? Yeah, wait, I will tell you. When this endoplasmic reticulum is maturing more, some part will separate. Some part will separate. That will function as a vesicle, vacuole, which are performing some other functions, lysosomes, like that. Complete that, then we'll go for types of endoplasmic reticulum. Is it complete? Then we go for two different types of endoplasmic reticulum. Refer the diagrams also for WPT, I am saying. Cell wall structure and plasma membrane structure, this endoplasmic reticulum structure. You have to refer diagrams. Okay, complete. Then types of endoplasmic reticulum. You already know that endoplasmic reticulum is made with lipoprotein, and on surface of endoplasmic reticulum there may be presence of ribosome or not. Based on the presence of ribosomes on surface of endoplasmic reticulum, this endoplasmic reticulum is divided into two types. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function? What is this smooth endoplasmic reticulum means? Here the surface of SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum means we can call it as SER, is not attached with ribosomes. Hence, the name is given. If the surface of endoplasmic reticulum is not coated with ribosomes, then that type of endoplasmic reticulum is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not contain ribosomes, and where this SER is present, that means which cells have endoplasmic reticulum means this is generally present in some cells like glycogen storing cells, muscle cells, glycogen storing cells, muscle cells. Muscle have some cells, na? They have that muscle cells. Glycogen storing cells means the glycogen storing cells may have maybe present in liver adipose tissue like that. Muscular cells, which are called as muscle cells, which are also called as myocytes, they are present in adipose cells also. Adipose cells. Adipose is a tissue which is present in skin, and it is present in WBC. WBC are also called leukocytes, WBC. Whereas RBC are called erythrocytes. RBC are called erythrocytes. WBC are called as leukocytes. White blood corpuscles are called as leukocytes. In the leukocytes, adipose tissue, adipose cells, muscle cells, and glycogen storing cells, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is present. Okay. Then second one is rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is also called RER. Second category of this endoplasmic reticulum is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why is it has rough surfaces, rough walls or surface due to presence of ribosomes. As ribosomes are present on surface of endoplasmic reticulum, that surface of endoplasmic reticulum is rough. That's why it is called as RER, or rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and what is the property of this rough endoplasmic reticulum is it has more number of cisternae. More cisternae than vesicles and tubules. But here less cisternae, more tubules, vesicles, because here ribosomes are present. Ribosomes have to attach to the surface of cisternae. So cisternae is present in more number. But there ribosomes are present, so less cisternae than vesicles and tubules. That is one important point. And this endoplasmic reticulum, which is rough is there na? Here it is present in more number or more contents to the surface very nearer to the nuclear membrane. It is present more in surface near to nuclear membrane. Near to nuclear membrane, this RER is present more. Yeah, I will tell you that. What is that means? Suppose I will erase this point. I think we completed. This is nucleus, right? And this Endoplasmic reticulum is forming cisternae like this. This is one cisternae, this is one cisternae, this is another cisternae. Like that, many cisternae are formed. Endoplasmic reticulum has more ribosomes in this cisternae, this point. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is present in more in surface nearer to nuclear membrane. Near to nuclear membrane means this is a nuclear membrane. This is endoplasmic reticulum, this is endoplasmic reticulum, this is endoplasmic reticulum. So the endoplasmic reticulum cisternae which are present to nuclear membrane, this is nuclear membrane. This part, that means the endoplasmic reticulum has like layers now. In that layers, what is present near to this? This is nuclear membrane, this is near, this is next. So this part have more RER surface. So RER surface is present near the endoplasmic reticulum. Video is paused. No, video is playing only. Video is not stuck. Yeah, it is coming. Check your network connectivity. This is about types of endoplasmic reticulum. We have 10 minutes. In the 10 minutes, I will complete the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Is it complete? Yeah, done. Thank you. Check now. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum, two parts are there now. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum performs some function. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum performs some function. And both rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum combinedly perform some other function. See one by one. Functions by SER and RER. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Both are involving in some functions. What are that? Provides mechanical support to the substances which are present in cytoplasm or cytoplasmic matrix. To the cytoplasmic matrix, it provides mechanical support. Both RER and SER both are involving in support to the post cytoplasmic matrix. Cytoplasmic matrix is given support by the both RER and SER, and it is responsible for intracellular transport. Intracellular transport. Within cell, from one part to another part, there is a transport of substances, that is intracellular transport. Intracellular transport is one function of both this. And formation of other structures. Formation of other structures like desmotubules. What is a tubule? Tubule is a long, elongated, branched structure. Desmotubule. Like a cell wall has a plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata means one cell wall is connecting another cell wall. Like here, desmotubules means that connects to are adjacent tubules. Adjacent tubules are connected by the one. Adjacent tubules are adjacent cells also connected by the desmotubule. So formation of desmotubule is one function of where this both RER and SER both combinedly performing. Okay, and it forms precursor of Golgi. Some parts of endoplasmic reticulum RER and SER separated, that acts as a precursor. Precursor means the substance which acts as a parental substance. So Golgi is made from one substance, that is called as a precursor. That precursor comes from the RER and SER. RER and SER will detach. When they are separated, that will develop into Golgi. That is one function of both RER and SER. And another function is transmission of nerve impulse. The message which is carried by nervous system. Our nervous system has nerve cells called neurons. Through the neurons, there is a transmission or transport of message. That transmission of nerve impulse is also carried by endoplasmic reticulum. In neuron cells, it is responsible. And localization of organelles. Localization of organelles and positioning of organelles. Positioning of organelles. Localization of organelles means where do that organelles will locate inside the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is running throughout the cytoplasm. So as endoplasmic reticulum is running, it is present throughout the cytoplasm. Where vacuole should be located, where another organelle should be located, that is decided by the endoplasmic reticulum by both RER and SER. Second one, functions performed by RER. Functions performed by only RER. One is protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is one function, and the second function is formation of nuclear envelope. Formation of nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane. Formation of nuclear membrane and protein synthesis. Why RER is involving in protein synthesis means RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, is there. That rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes. Ribosomes are the machinery of protein synthesis. So that rough endoplasmic reticulum is involving in the protein synthesis. Then functions of SER, just 5 functions are there. First, I will erase this and complete that SER. I will write, you can copy. Explain what is the desmotubule. Desmotubule is a link between two cells or two adjacent tubules. One tubule and another tubule, they are connecting. One tubule of one cell, another tubule of another cell, they may be connecting. That is called as a desmotubule, like plasmodesmata. Third one is functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The main function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is lipid synthesis. Synthesis of lipids is the major function. And second function is breakdown of glycogen. breakdown of glycogen. Our body, like plants are storing starch, animals store a polysaccharide of carbohydrate called glycogen. Whenever we take more food, the excess glucose what is present in our body, that will convert into a storage form called as glycogen. That glycogen is broken down by the SER. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum has some enzymes. That enzymes will break glycogen. Whenever our body glucose is less, then that glycogen is broken down. Glycogen is converted into that glucose. That is one function. And synthesis of steroid hormone. Steroid hormones like estrogens, androgens, like that. Another function, storage of glycogen is also a function of SER. Glycogen is broken down, at the same time glycogen is stored. Detoxification. Any toxic substances are there, like poisonous substances are present in cell, that poisons are converted into non-poison. Poisons are converted into non-poisonous substances, that is called as detoxification. Detoxification is one function. Any drugs or cancer causing agents are there, means they are converted into non-poison. That is one function. Okay. And I told you already, formation of Golgi vacuole lysosome. Golgi complex, vacuole, lysosome, they are also formed from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And another function, acrosome of sperm is made from SER. Sperm cell, sperm, which is male gametes, that sperm has one structure called as acrosome. That acrosome of sperm is made from smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the formation of this. Production of Golgi apparatus. And in cell wall, I told you, cell plate is there, na? Cell plate, cell wall, middle lamellum, are formed from smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the formation of this also. And the final one more function is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more function. What is that? Wait. From inside to outside, packaging and export of substances. Some substances are present inside the cell. That substances are packed into some other form. They are exported from inside the cell to another side of the cell. These are called what? Exports. Package of substances, packaging the substances, and export of the substances outside of the cell. Outside of cell. These are major functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum has these main function. So these are totally what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is performing some functions like protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is one because there is presence of ribosome. Another function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is what I told you. What? It makes a nuclear envelope. And the rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, combinedly they are performing some functions like a transport, and it forms skeletal structure. I mean, skeletal support is given by the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, both formation of desmotubules, like that. So this endoplasmic reticulum is performing some function. Okay, what is endoplasmic reticulum? The outer member of nuclear membrane, outer membrane of nucleus is forming some foldings. That network is made up of what? Lipoprotein network, which is running throughout the cytoplasm from plasma membrane to nuclear membrane. From plasma membrane to nuclear membrane, this network is running. That network, which is made up of lipoprotein network, is called as endoplasmic reticulum. That is of two types, RER and SER. That is made up of three parts called as cisternae, vesicle and tubule, and that is coined by Foster. And the endoplasmic reticulum, which is present in muscle, is called as sarcoplasmic reticulum. Okay, this is about the properties of endoplasmic reticulum. You can take break now. You can join next class. Up to this topic, you have to write for WP. From beginning of eukaryotic cell. That means plant cell, animal cells may not be included. Refer that once enough. From that flow chart. Flow chart we gave now, plant cell, which is a cell wall, protoplast. Protoplast is again divided into protoplasm, nucleus, protoplasm, cell membrane, like that. From that flow chart up to this point, read well for WPT. We will meet in next class. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day. I am ending the meeting. Bye. Read well for WPT and score good marks in WPT.